This next question reads, a 12 amp current is directed along the positive x-axis, so I've got a current going this way, and it's 12 amps. And it's perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field. The conductor experiences a magnetic force per unit length of 0.25 newtons per meter in the negative y direction. So I know that the force is going to be in this direction of 0.25 newtons, but that's force per length, so that's newtons per meter. Calculate the magnitude of the electric field, so I'm looking for my B field, in the region through which the current passes. Answer in units of Tesla. If I have a force equal to BIL times the sine of theta, what I have here is force per length. So if I divide both sides by L, then the L goes away here. So my force per length equals BI sine theta. So this number, 0.25 newtons per meter, is my force per length. So now if I want to solve for B, I've got to take that, divide by I, and divide by sine theta. So I've got to take I sine theta and bring it and divide it by that. So my B is going to be my force per length times 1 over I sine theta. And that will give me my B field. What is its direction? Now, if I've got a current going to the right and it's feeling a force down, I can use my right-hand rule to figure out what direction that force must be. What direction the B field is. So with a force pointed down and a current pointed to the right, I've got to, it's hard to arrange my hand this way, I've got to have a B field that's pointing up out of the page in this case. And that would give me the force I need. This is a shortcut for my hand, so I have a three-dimensional here with B and I and F, and this was lined up with my hand here. So if I've got a B field in this direction and a current going in that direction, then the force would be this direction. So I created a little three-dimensional thing here. So now I know that if my current is going to the right and my force is going down, then my B field here is pointing up towards me in the page. So you can use something like this, but it's easier to use your hand, hard to show in 3 dimensions and 2 dimensions.